Accessories. 1 position template, 1 EV charger, 1 mounting bracket, 1 M32*1.5 cable gland, 1 waterproof cover, 8 screws and anchorings, 4 M6*8 screws, 1 DLB box, optional, 1 position template, 1 interface panel, 2 RFID card, optional, 1 plastic lifter. Installation steps. Remove the cover plate. Unplug the wire harness. Optimal installation height is 1.2 m above the ground, at least 0.5 m from the inner wall. Position and fix the charger securely. Secure the base plate. Drill corresponding holes using appropriate size drilling tool. Securely mount the charger onto the base plate. Connect the power cable, recommended torque, 1.8 N.M, 2.2 N.M. Reinstall the cover plate and panel. Platform configuration. Power on and press the emergency stop button, then hold the function test button for over 10 seconds to enter Bluetooth mode. Use the ZBox app to establish a Bluetooth connection with the charging station. Access Settings. Select OCPP Distribution Network Wizard. Choose the desired server. Following the platform's naming rules, configure the QR code. Select the network connection method. Save the settings. Card-based charging. Card-based charging requires card binding through the app before use. Charging steps. Insert the charging gun. Scan the QR code. Platform configuration. Start charging. Plug and play. Enter AP configuration mode by pressing the emergency stop button and holding the leakage test button for Bluetooth setup. Connect the charging station to the ZBox via Bluetooth. Tap on Settings. Enable plug and play mode.